In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello card colors. If you want quicker visual cues on your board, like making urgent tasks pop or grouping related work by shade, card colors are a simple built-in way to do it. Start by opening Trello in your web browser at trello.com. Once you're in, head to the boards area. Depending on your layout, you'll see a boards button or a link in the workspace sidebar. Click that to view the boards you have access to. Pick the board where you want to update a card's appearance and open it. Now choose the specific card you want to change and click it to open the card details. You'll see the card window with options along the right side. Find and click Cover. This is where Trello lets you control the visual style of the card. At the top, you'll see solid color swatches. Choosing one of these immediately adds a color cover to the card. Solid colors are great for quick categorization. Think priority, status, or team. If you're focusing on clarity, aim for high contrast between the cover color and the card text so titles remain easy to read. Below the colors, you'll usually see photo options. Selecting a photo adds a more expressive cover, which works well for design tasks, content pieces, or anything that benefits from a visual cue. You can browse the built-in image gallery here. Photos can make your board more engaging, but use them selectively so the board doesn't feel cluttered. Within the cover panel, you can also choose how the cover displays on the card. You can keep it as a small stripe at the top, which preserves more space for labels and checklists, or expand it to a full height cover for maximum impact. If your board is dense with information, the smaller stripe often keeps things easier to scan. If you need visual emphasis, the larger cover is the better choice. When you've selected the color or photo you like, just close the card window or click back to the board. Your change is saved automatically, and you can update it anytime by reopening the card and returning to cover. Repeat the same process for any other cards you want to customize. That's it. With a few clicks in cover, your Trello cards become easier to spot, sort, and understand at a glance.